Jack and I ride, ho ho, Jack and I ride, ho ho, Jack and I ride, ho, Jack and I ride, ho ho. Ask my mama for 15 cents. See the elephant jump his fence, jump so high that it jumped to the sky. He couldn't get back till next July. Jack and I ride, ho ho, Jack and I ride, ho ho, Jack and I ride, ho ho, Jack and I ride, ho ho. He was sitting on a swinging limb, winked at me and I winked at him. Up with a stick and I hit him on chin. Good God, am I don't do that again? Jack and I ride, ho ho, 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 Jack and I ride, ho ho.
Ready? Grows in the garden, pulling up corn. Grows in the garden, pulling up corn. Catch 'em, string 'em up and stretch 'em, flag upon the whole concern. Gardener asleep in the shade of the barn. Gardener asleep in the shade of the barn. Wake him, tickle him and shake him. Everything will go to wreck as sure as you're born. Then listen to the merry, merry call, 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 for they've gone away with a well-filled crow. Then listen to the merry, merry call, 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 for they've gone with a well-filled crow. This busy, busy world is full of crows. Money is a corn and sure to grow. Once you catch him napping and away it goes with a merry, merry ho, ho, ho. Cattle of your neighbor, break down your fence. Cattle of your neighbor, break down your fence. Whale 'em, take a stick and frail 'em. Send your neighbor word, he must put 'em up in pans. Lawyer come along, chock full of sand. Lawyer come along, chock full of sand. Sue 'em, slap it to 'em, screw 'em, only get the evidence. Then listen to him prate about the law, law, law. Your neighbor's case not worth a straw. But never, never let that law, law, law once get you in its claw. This busy, busy world is full of crows. Money is a corn and sure to grow. Once you catch you napping and away it goes with a merry, merry ho, ho, ho. You must have a pretty watch and rings of gold. You must have a pretty watch and rings of gold. Some come hoaxing, some come coaxing for the pretty chink you hold. The weary, weary heart at length grows cold. The weary, weary heart at length grows cold. So much hurry, so much worry for the little chink you hold. Then gentle music, may your mind withdraw from the toil and care of trade and law. And then how soothing is a fall, 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 and the do, re, mi, sol, la. This busy, busy world is full of crows. Money is a corn and sure to grow. Once you catch you napping and away it goes with a merry, merry ho, ho, ho.
This is their pen. I actually did really good with this. It was all, for the most part, recycled materials. Baphomet's all excited. Yeah, so I only spent the 2x6s on the roof and the siding. That's the only thing I actually paid any money for, and I did not pay much at all. I went to a lumber yard and I used all of their reject material. Boards with too many knots, boards with a split, boards with knots, and then oh, and then the roofing shingles. That's the only other thing I paid for. All in all, though, I paid like less than $200 to build this shed, which isn't bad. I paid $50 for the whole pallet that had, like, you know, 6 feet tall, stacked with this pine sides. So it wasn't bad. They got a little heat lamp in there, this little chicken light, and when the door's closed, it gets nice and warm in here. Their water hasn't freezed yet, so it can't be that bad. They're still shy around us. Hello. But yeah, that's their little shed. I think it's like 11 by 12. We kind of did an odd number just because of, you know, the random pieces of wood we had and the area that we had available. You guys want to say hi? No? Finn's more shy. I mean, Baphomet seems a little hyper.